Stop wasting 3 months on business issues AI can solve in 3 minutes.
Meet Praxie, where the months you spend building or customizing software for work orders, delivery, projects, whatever, now takes 3 minutes.
Or the 40 hours you spend on Excel analysis of your sales and marketing or other data, 3 minutes. Or the 10 hours of work creating critical proposals, plans, presentations, 3 minutes. Or finally, the hundreds of hours a month your team spends doing manual tasks that you can turn into AI-powered automations, 3 minutes. You can do all this today with AI.
In Praxie's All-in-One AI Workspace for business, including vibe-coded software, data analytics, agent automations, and more.
I'll demonstrate. Let's make some software. Go to Praxie.com, select a pre-built tool, or type something like build software to manage my sales process. No vendor selection, no massive budgets, no developers. Then Praxie agents get to work. In minutes, it's ready. Then you can make changes in your native language. Want to change the layout? Just ask. Add sales phases? Just ask. Change fields or buttons or drop-down lists? Just ask. You're programming in regular text. This is called vibe coding. It's incredibly fun and easy, and the results are mind-blowing. Once you've made all your changes, launch it. You just built your own sales management software with working forms, dashboards, and project management, all ready for your team in your secure AI workspace. And there was no tech speak, no coding, no hosting, no full stack of libraries and headaches that you'll find in every other product in the market. Praxie's data grid technology lets you work without all those complexities. You simply create software, the data is stored, and everything just works. The new era of AI vibe coding has arrived, and the old full-stack architecture looks, well, old.
And unlike vibe coding tools that create customer-focused apps for entrepreneurs, Praxie helps you find, build, or tailor software for any process inside your business. Work orders, audits, training, quoting, anything, ready in minutes.
Now let's get strategic. Type, I need a strategic plan for my company. Add your website and hit go. It's that easy. In about a minute, Praxie agents generate a draft of your plan. You can then edit the text or add things like a detailed competitive analysis or any other changes just by asking. Done. You just built your strategic plan. And this is just the beginning. Praxie lets you build presentations, documents, job plans,
prospect lists, or any other tool your team needs.
Okay, let's get analytical. You're going to add data to your grid and create an easy-to-use dashboard to track metrics and actions for your strategic plan. Just upload your spreadsheets, images, and documents, or you can add enterprise data to your grid to automate updates with our Cloud Drive, SQL, or API connectors. Bam, you just built your own action dashboard connected to lots of different data sources. And these aren't dead artifacts created by an AI chat. Remember, with Praxie, the tools you build and your third-party data are connected in a single data grid. This means you can go way beyond standard software, dashboards, documents, and ask questions of your data and get world-class AI-powered insights. Like, how can I optimize my cloud IT spend? How can I improve quality? How can I forecast demand for my supply chain? Ask anything and get answers in seconds. And all your reports are dynamically updated so they're always ready to use. And Praxie's data grid technology minimizes AI data cleanup and prep, so you get the AI solutions you need at a fraction of the time and cost. Now let's talk automation. Everyone wants to eliminate manual workflows. With Praxie's process automation, you can easily create agentic workflows like receiving an order via email and instantly adding that order to your ERP or other systems. Or have data changes in production triggering alerts, escalations, or root cause analysis. And if you want to go under the hood, you can easily use Praxie's Agent Builder to create your own automations or integrations with third-party agents. In summary, what used to take months can now be done in minutes with Praxie's AI Workspace for business.
Visit Praxie.com and try it right now for free.